My name is Riya Dalal and I'm an instructor for Web Design and Development program at ABM College. Web Design and Development program at ABM College will prepare students for both the programming and functional aspect of responsive web design. Students will learn to build and create effective website, and they will also learn how they can deploy their website on internet. At ABM College, we have classes in the morning, evening as well as in the weekends. Students can choose any time based on their schedule. Due to the smaller class size, instructors can also focus on each and every students. The program is 54 week long, 50 week in class and 4 week of practicum. This program requires no prior knowledge. It is high demand, easy to learn. So this is a great choice for someone who is ready to have an exciting career or a career change. If you are interested in taking this course, then you can check college website, you can check the social media pages, and you can also come to college and have more information about the program.